Join me as I dive deep into Ron Kenoly's legacy and see if I can uncover the life lessons hidden in his music and message. Ron Kenoly is a name synonymous with powerful, soul-stirring worship music. As a pivotal figure in contemporary worship, his contributions have left an indelible mark on the genre. With hits like Lift Him Up and Praise Him, Kenoly's music has been a staple in churches around the world, inspiring countless believers to deepen their faith and connection with God. The world of worship music is filled with talented artists, but it's not without its challenges. Many artists struggle to create music that resonates with their audience, while also staying true to their artistic vision. Ron Kenoly's approach to worship music offers valuable insights into overcoming these challenges. By focusing on the heart of worship, a genuine, heartfelt connection with God, Kenoly's music has transcended generations, speaking to the very soul of the believer. His legacy reminds us that worship music should be more than just a performance. It should be an authentic expression of our devotion to God. The question is, how can we, as artists and worship leaders, apply this principle to our own music and ministry? Kenoly's musical style is characterized by its simplicity, yet it has such a profound impact. His themes of praise and worship are woven throughout his songs, creating this real sense of community and unity among believers. His work has shaped modern church music, influencing a whole new generation of worship leaders and artists. By exploring Kenoly's music, we can actually gain a deeper understanding of the power of worship to transform lives and communities. One of the key aspects of Kenoly's music is its ability to evoke a sense of joy and celebration, reminding us that worship is not just about reverence, but also about rejoicing in God's presence. One key moment in Kenoly's career that had a significant impact on worship culture was his album, Lift Him Up. Released in 1994, this album became a game-changer in the world of worship music, showcasing Kenoly's unique style and approach to praise and worship. The album's title, track, Lift Him Up, has become an anthem in many churches, symbolizing the act of lifting God up in praise and adoration. This album not only solidified Kenoly's place in the worship music scene, but also inspired a new wave of worship artists to follow in his footsteps. The impact of Lift Him Up can still be felt today, with its songs continuing to inspire and uplift believers around the world. As we reflect on Ron Kenoly's legacy, we're reminded of the importance of authenticity, community, and joy in worship. His music and message continue to inspire us to deepen our faith and connection with God. By embracing these principles, we can create a more meaningful and impactful worship experience that resonates with others. If you've been inspired by Ron Kenoly's music or have your own favorite worship artists, I'd love to hear from you. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to check out my next video where I'll be exploring the life and legacy of another influential worship leader.